Is that cute church guy into you? Or is he just practicing his Sunday best manners? While he might be more polite than your average crush, Christian guys leave some major breadcrumbs when they like you. First, look out for the tactical invitation. It starts with a casual, "Can I pray for you?" And suddenly you're invited to a youth group movie night, and eventually sitting next to him in the pew. He'll also dive deep, asking what you believe and why, not to interrogate you, but because he's checking for long-term compatibility, not just a casual fling. Pay attention to his compliments too. If he's noticing your new Bible cover or telling you you're glowing while teaching Sunday school, he's hooked. He'll look for ways to help you out, nervously adjust his collar around you, and lock eyes with a friendly smile from across the fellowship hall. If he's ecstatic just because you laughed at his joke, congrats. You've officially blessed his heart.